Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to create a working airport in Minecraft. Building a functioning airport in Minecraft is an ambitious and rewarding project. You'll need lots of stone, variants, glass, concrete and bricks, basically a mix of modern industrial and structural materials. From there, think logically about what an airport needs and design each part step by step. Firstly, you need to create the runway. Planes needs a very long wide runway for safe takeoff. Make sure it's wide enough that the plane's wings don't hang off the edge and add extra clearance space for realism and safety. Now, the parking areas. Build two separate parking lots, one for cars, forklifts, and service vehicles, another for planes and helicopters. Now, construct hangars to store aircraft and use iron blocks, concrete and quartz for a clean industrial look, and include a cargo warehouse for loading and unloading supplies. This gives you the airport a realistic logistics area. Now, the control tower should overlook the runway, add glass panels, ladders and elevators for access, and dedicate a section of the runway for passengers onboarding and cargo loading. Now, the main terminal, which is the centerpiece of your airport, large building with lots of windows, helipad on the roof, waiting rooms, bathrooms, food court and security gates, mini jail and confiscation room for extra detail, metal detector gate using iron bars and redstone, bagging check and carousel, ticket counter at the entrance and optionally a mall, a souvenir stand, etc. You can now create planes, helicopters and service vehicles around the airport using quartz, iron and glass. Use armor stands as passengers, pilots and staff, and on the Bedrock edition you can pose or even animate them with redstone. Don't forget trees, flowers and grassy areas to bring life to your build. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Hello everyone.